What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to the Crypto Lair. And today I'm going to be talking about being able to pay your taxes with Bitcoin. But first, I just want to start off by saying I'm going to be doing a $20 Bitcoin giveaway. So make sure you put a comment down below, and subscribe. And every week I'll be giving away $20 worth of Bitcoin. That $20 could turn into $100 in the future. So if you want some free $20 worth of Bitcoin, make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, and like the video. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about being able to pay your taxes with Bitcoin, because at the moment you cannot. But before we do so, let's look at the market. Let me refresh it so we can get the most up-to-date price. So right now we are at $413 billion market cap, which is really good. Like I said in the past couple videos, I'm gonna expect to see this to be around the low 400s, high 300s, slowly building its way back up to 500 and then 600. So let's look at the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is 85, which is really good. I like to see it stay above 8,000. Like I said before, if it was to drop below 8,000, I would consider putting more into Bitcoin. Ripple is up to $1.05. As you see, Ripple has actually been climbing out of the hole, because lately it's been at 70 cents, and at the moment right now it's at 105. Ethereum's at 848, which is pretty good, staying above the 800 mark. But as you can see, all these charts, they pretty much correlate with Bitcoin. If you look at the charts, when Bitcoin goes up, everything else goes up. When it goes down, hard down, everything else goes down. So everything's pretty much pegged to the Bitcoin. NEO is up 109. That's good. Dash is 602. So a slight pullback in the market, but I think it's still great. Like, this is still a great time to invest, to put more money. But again, I am not a financial advisor, so do your research. But I'm just saying, like, looking at the prices for the past 2 weeks, like these prices can easily double within the next month or two, like easily. So let's get back on with the story. So this article on CoinDesk says that Arizona moves one step closer to accepting Bitcoin for taxes, which is a really good move, because it would be so much easier than having to switch it back to fiat and then doing that. But let's start off with the article. The Arizona Senate has passed a bill that aims to allow residents in the state to pay taxes with Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. So even though it's just Arizona, this is a really good first step towards um, other states following suit from Arizona. And if we were to see that Arizona did accept Bitcoin as a payment for taxes, it would be honestly a really good thing, because that just means that the government supports Bitcoin, even though that the Senate earlier this month, like, supports Bitcoin, or not Bitcoin in general, but blockchain technology. So seeing something, like seeing like this move forward is honestly like really good for the community. As previously reported by CoinDesk, last month a group of lawmakers submitted a bill that, if passed, would enable taxpayers to use bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies in order to pay tax and any interest and penalties to the State Department of Revenue. And the department, in return, would have 24 hours to convert those payments to US dollars. So pretty much you pay on Bitcoin, and then they have 24 hours to fiat the money. Public records show that the Senate passed the bill on February 8th by a 16 to 13 margin with one no vote. The measure has since been sent to the House of Representatives for further considerations. So, in order for this bill to be passed, it has to go through two houses, the Senate and the House of Representatives, and then it has to get signed. So, it already passed the Senate, and I'm thinking that it will pass the House of Representatives, because if you look at the history of the bill, it has a good run. But let's continue. While the measure's success is contingent on both approval in that chamber, as well as any possible reconciliation required if the House and Senate ultimately pass different versions, the successful vote bodes well for the final passage. Late last month, lawmakers on the Senate's Finance Committee cleared the bill by a 4-3 vote. So So this bill has been moving along pretty well. It's gone far, so I'm not going to be surprised when it does get passed. But it's also a really good step towards blockchain's future. Arizona State Rep Jeff Winninger, one of the co-sponsors of the bill and sponsor himself of several related bills, including one submitted this week that, if approved, would block local and county regulation of blockchain nodes, recently told Fox News that a tax measure is aimed at making the state accommodating place for users' technology. It's one of a litany of bills that we are running and sending a signal to everyone in the United States and possibly throughout the world that Arizona is going to be a place for blockchain and digital currency technology in the future, he told. So this is a really positive article, especially in the state of Arizona. Sorry about that. But so if Arizona does accepting Bitcoins for taxes, everybody else is going to have to follow suit because, well, there's two types of taxes you pay to the state and then you pay to the federal. So I'm guessing this is only for the state level, but again, this would honestly be really good, and a lot of states would be following suit right afterwards. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, I'll be giving away $20 worth of Bitcoin every week. So make sure you leave a comment down below with your address and something about this video. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.